Most ERP systems promise a single source of truth, one platform to manage your entire business. But for manufacturers, that promise can feel half-delivered. You need data that connects the front office to the factory, and too often, generic ERPs stop at the shop floor. In this video, we'll break down the differences between manufacturing-specific ERP systems and generic ERP systems, why those differences matter, how they impact operations, and where specific platforms fit in. Let's dive in. Manufacturing ERPs versus generic ERPs. What's the difference? Many ERPs look similar at a glance. Most of them manage orders, inventory, accounting, purchasing, and financials. The real distinction appears once production enters the picture. Generic or horizontal ERPs are designed to support a broad range of industries: services, retail, distribution, professional firms, and yes, manufacturing. They're highly configurable, but manufacturing is only one of the many verticals they serve, and often these systems are oriented towards accounting first, with operations as a secondary focus. Manufacturing-specific ERPs are built from the ground up around how factories run. They're not bolted together through third-party plugins or modules. They natively integrate scheduling, production monitoring, quality management, materials planning, and maintenance. Manufacturing ERP systems know that the money is made on the shop floor. The difference is architectural. Some generic systems tend to track transactions, while vertical-specific manufacturing-focused ERPs track operations, where some ERPs fall short for manufacturers. Many horizontal ERPs do a lot well. For example, financial visibility, CRM, order management, and reporting. But once you reach the production floor, their flexibility can become a challenge. You can technically make many of these systems work for manufacturing, but often you'll need additional software to fill the gaps. A separate MES or shop floor data collection system, an external quality management tool, or custom integrations to tie machine data into scheduling or inventory. That patchwork adds complexity and maintenance costs. Each module might speak a slightly different language, and suddenly your single source of truth isn't so single anymore. For manufacturers who rely on precision timing, accurate production data, and traceability, these gaps can become pain points that slow down decision-making and inflate the cost of ownership. What manufacturing-specific ERPs do differently. Manufacturing-specific ERPs are designed to bridge that divide. They combine the financial and operational sides of the business into one real-time ecosystem. A true manufacturing ERP includes integrated scheduling and shop floor control, linking work orders directly to machine data, real-time production and process monitoring, feeding live information into planning, quality, and maintenance, native quality management, tracking specifications, tolerances, and audits, inventory and materials planning that adapt to what's happening on the floor, end-to-end traceability, where every part, batch, and job can be tracked from order to shipment. The result is a system that understands manufacturing logic, not just financial logic. And speaking of financials, there's one misconception we should address regarding manufacturing ERPs, and that's cost. Specifically, there's a perception that they cost significantly more than generic ERPs. And yes, on paper, the base subscription of many generic ERPs may be lower, but once you start adding the manufacturing modules, the MES integrations, the quality extensions, and the consultants to stitch it all together, the fully loaded cost tells a different story. So be careful. Once you're in the scope of a comprehensive manufacturing system, the total cost may be lower for purpose-built platforms because you're buying one integrated system, not four connected ones. Where DELMIAWorks fits in. DELMIAWorks sits squarely in the category of manufacturing-first ERPs. Developed by manufacturers for manufacturers, it merges ERP, MES, and shop floor control into one platform. That means real-time data capture from machines and operators, integrated scheduling and production monitoring, native quality management and traceability, and a single database that eliminates redundant data entry and cross-system lag. And critically, DELMIAWorks scales without needing third-party bolt-ons. The same system that runs your accounting also drives your production analytics. That's the difference between managing a factory and truly connecting it. Thanks to DELMIAWorks for sponsoring this video, and if you want to book a demo with them to see a manufacturing-specific ERP in action, follow the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more software breakdowns, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!